Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to copy a table from ChatGPT to Word. As you can see, this is our prompt and this is the response, basically asking it to create a table showing the best books of 2025. So once you've created your table, you just simply need to hover over to this area. You can see the copy table icon, click on it, or basically copy anything you have as the result. So you click on it and then go to your Word. Right here in Word, you're going to right click on the empty part of the page, and then you have some paste options. If you hover over this, you can see keep source formatting. If you hover over this, you'll see how it looks like. This is for merge formatting and copy text only. This usually is the option if you use the keyboard shortcut keys. If you'd like to do this hassle-free, just come over here, hover over the paste options and merge formatting. And then you have your table. As easy as that.